Hello guys, best master in digital marketing in California. Master in digital marketing in the USA is a one that is 1 to 2 years long program available as MSc, MA and MBA specialization, and the tuition fee for perusing and master's degree in digital marketing in US universities range from 23,000 to 76,000 US. The Indian students planning to pursue the course will need an equivalent amount for around 17 to 56 lakh in are the overall cost of MS in USA for Indian students is even higher. Wondering how to fund your education, find scholarship to study in USA. With the gradual expansion of number of internet user in USA, digital marketing has opened a wide opportunity of employment with a base pay a scale of around 65 US D for an hour as stated by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. BLS post completions of your masters in digital marketing from USA universities. The median salary offered reaches 135 US per annum, legitimating USA as one of the best places to study digital marketing program. Top universities for master in digital marketing USA. Some of the top ranking universities offering masters in digital marketing in USA are MBA digital marketing, MS digital marketing, and MSDM, MS digital media, MS digital social media, MBA digital marketing strategies, master in social media and mobile marketing, MSc digital marketing and media, MSc digital marketing. The rise of smartphones, app and other form of new media in the past decade upscaled the field of promotion of brands and product through digital platform. With the rise in demand, courses in digital marketing have gained special attention and are attracting a